I was expecting it to be sort of like a career service or the career things you do at school, where they just ask you what you want to be and give you a bit of advice. So I was hopeful that Brightwings wasn't going to be like that, and it wasn't, which was great. I would recommend this course because, as cliche as it sounds, it's not the sort of typical course you're expecting. There are some niche topics and areas that I wasn't originally aware of, but have really been very useful. For example, the cross-cultural communication, learning how to understand and communicate with people from all around the world has been extremely useful, as you really do, as we are becoming globalized world, and it's really important that you can be able to do that. For example, like learning how different cultures use body language in different ways, some use it more than others, and also the way that Brightwings actually look to the future. Instead of teaching us about typical careers, like you could be an accountant, you could be a doctor, you can be a lawyer, all that stuff, they are paying attention to the fact that we are a changing community and a lot of jobs are going to be taken over by AI. I think my key takeaway would have been my personal brand and understanding how others perceive me and how I want to be perceived, and how I can use that in the future.